This is the snowstorm in Ottawa. I am heading now on the street. Coming 2-3 day, it will be almost 45 centimeters snow is falling now. So this is the scenery of the snow. This is the snowfall. Now I'm in Gatineau city in Quebec. I will cross the bridge and I will go to the Ottawa. All Quebec and Greater Toronto area, we are under snowstorm now. So this is the snowstorm. I have to drive almost 20 kilometers until my business place. So some people, they are shoveling, they are cleaning their driveway, and a lot of people that did not woke up yet, and the street is less car today, and all school is closed. A lot of place they're closed today. I have a right turn in here, Gatineau and Ottawa. So on the stop sign I can make a right turn. So visibility is very less. And today I heard about Toronto International Airport. They cancel almost 50 flight until now. Maybe they will cancel more later. I don't know. Some people driving very fast, but I don't want to drive. You see, it's very less car today. Normally, it was a very traffic here, but today there is no traffic. So it's good. Lot of snow removal car, vehicle, they are running. They are try to clean our path, road, highway, everything, and they are throwing salt also, salt and small rocks on the street to save us from slippery. This is the first snowstorm this year in 2025, and this is a big one because 45 centimeter snowfall is a big. It's not a small. They are warning last 2-3 days continue to people to be careful. So people also, I think they careful, and this road is empty today. I bring my truck today, my Honda Pilot. If I bring my small car Santra, it is difficult for me to cross the road because a lot of snow. In this country, if your tire is big, you are more safe. What kind of car you are driving, that is not a matter, but always you have to buy the car with bigger tire, bigger wheel. My pilot tire size is 20 inch, but my car one is 16 inch, so I am more safe. This is one under road. It's all government office here for the Canada, all federal office here. In the both side of the street, all federal government office. Canada controlling from here, this area. This is a two province border. One is Quebec and one is Ontario. In front of me, the breeze. This one is difficult to realize that this is breeze, because breeze always higher than the land, but this one is lower than the land because they make this breeze to not to cross any boat or anything under the bridge, because they are controlling water here. They are on the right side, there is a lot of refinery, water refinery, and his left side is parliament building, government, Canada parliament, and this is the bridge. So it's look like not a bridge, but this is a bridge. This is the low, so only water can pass under the bridge. No boat or no ship, nothing like that. Nobody can cross. So control that thing, they make this bridge like a lower. So this is now I am in Quebec to Ontario province. This is Ottawa city. It's capital of Canada. This is in front of me is Holocaust Museum, Canada War Museum, and this is a riverside. Normally it's a nice area, but today's all is white because of snow. Summertime here, a lot of dark. Canada Canadian goose. They live here, and they come here in summertime. But before summer, they all left. They don't live here. So my right side is Quebec, left side is Ontario province. And in Ontario province, Ottawa is a city and Ottawa is the capital. And Toronto is the bigger city or mega city of Ontario province and mega city of North America. New York is a old mega city and Toronto is modern mega city. Side is a river. I think lot of today it should normally it is very busy, very traffic, but no car. That means a lot of things is closed today. Scary to come out, I think. But I have to go to open my store. So that's the thing. At least they clean the road. That is a very good thing. And in Canada, they are very organized to clean the snow. They are very well equipped. This is a residential area. So there is still a lot of snow on the street. They did not clean yet. kids, they are going to school. This is all city bus. Bus communication in city area is very good in Canada, especially Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa. If you don't have a car, any place from the city, you can use public transport, and it is government run by government. So time and everything very accurate. Sometimes you will arrive faster than your private car. They have a special road, rules and regulation, reserve lane. If you drive in reserve lane in rush hour, sometimes is $200 fine. You will get ticket on reserve lane. But if you are more than 2 passenger in your private car, you can use the reserve lane. If you alone, you cannot use the reserve lane, because you have to keep clear reserve lane for the bus, otherwise big fine you have to pay. So lot of rules and regulation to give comfort to the people. This is good. People paying tax and they have a satisfaction to government service. This is Canada. Blessed country. But still some people not happy in this country. I don't know where they will be happy in the world, but I am very happy to live in this country. I feel always blessed, always secure, everything. No complaint. And I am proud as a Canadian citizen also, because whatever you want you can do in this country. Nobody is obstacle for you. Nobody bother you. And you can do whatever you want to do if you have a quality, if you have a qualification. You can do anything. If you not to do anything because this is not of country, this is your fault. If you are not success in this country, this is not country fault, this is your fault. All the success you have in this country, but you have to earn with your hard work, your quality, your education, everything open for you in this country. Nothing is obstacle for you to come forward in this country. So I almost arrived in my business place, my store. So this is only on my way. I show you the scenario of snowstorm, but some area it will be more worst and more dangerous, more difficult to drive, but it is fun also to drive in the snow. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you all.